Kia Stinger GT is a formidable performance sedan. It features a 272 kilowatt 3.3 litre twin turbo V6 engine which pushes power to the back wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. All of this makes for a very fun drive. Now this car is owned by one of our friends. Given how restricted the factory intake was, we were keen to get our hands in the engine bay and get rid of it. Replacing the factory system would be one of K&N's Typhoon intake systems. This kit is named 695318TS. The system consists of a cold air intake system which features mandrel bent aluminium intake tubes for each side, a washable reusable high flow K&N air filter for each side which comes pre-oiled, as well as custom heat shields that help protect intake air from the high temperatures of the engine bay. K&N states this system can be typically installed in less than 90 minutes.
This one says loosen the hose clamp that secures the intake tube to the driver's side turbo and then remove the intake tube from the vehicle. Alright, as you can see, all the air boxes are out now. You've got the turbos just down here, we can see the inlets. And all the plastic and all the hardware and hosing and clamps and stuff is all out of the engine bay. Now we're up to number 10. And basically this side is where we start installing the adapters that sit within the engine bay itself. These act as a heat shield. So this is the driver's side heat shield, and the way we know that is there's a serial number here. This ends in 253. And basically on this front guide here, it's got under M, this is 253. So this is the one we need to do. So let's go back to where we were.
Now the real point of adding this K&N Typhoon intake system to this Kia Stinger GT is purely to gain some horsepower. And through K&N's testing, this air intake alone should add 9.09 horsepower at 5,249 RPM. That's almost 10 horsepower for an air intake. Now for this job you'll see that we've only used basic tools that you'll find in most garage toolboxes. The job itself by now has been really straightforward and really easy. We found with something like this you just need to read the instructions, follow them closely and take your time. Over the years we've found K&N to be a really great product. The fit and finish of all the products supplied in this kit are quality. There's no extra cutting, there's no nothing else, it's all designed to fit perfectly.
Everything's all nice and secure. I mean, you could say this almost looks like a factory system, you know, it's all nice and neat. Same goes over here on this side, all nice and clean, all looks kind of factory.